In this video, we're going to show you how to create an ARC text field using your Sketchbook software on your Mark & Box unit. First, we're going to click and drag out a text field. And in the text style, we're going to select ARC. At this point, we are going to type in our information that we'd like to mark. Our next step is going to be adjusting the height, the width, and the pitch. For this example, we're going to do a character height of 2.5 millimeter tall characters. The width we're going to leave at 60%, and the pitch we're going to change to 2.6. Now we can work on the positioning and size of the arc under jogging. At this point, we can change the X, Y axis, the angle of the arc, the size of the arc under radius, and the pivot which moves the text field along the arc. First, radius. We're going to change this to 18 millimeters for this example. And the x-axis we're going to move to 8 millimeters with the y at 13 millimeters. The angle we're going to adjust to 153 based on this example. And then we have the ability to change a concave or convex type arc. For this example, we're going to use convex. Now let's set up our force and speed. In past examples, we've used our defaults, but in this one, we're going to use advanced settings. This allows you to micro adjust your force and speed. For this example, we're going to leave our force at 30, but we're going to slow our speed down to 20. This is going to give it a tighter resolution. Once you have your settings finalized, you will see the arc within the grid. Now it's time to mark. Thank you for watching, and contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more helpful training videos.